So previously we've looked at color grading, and to color grade, just as a quick reminder, we clicked on the clip in question and we changed our workspace up here to color, and it gave us a bunch of different options with regards to how to manipulate that one clip. I'm going to show you a way now to manipulate multiple clips at once, and it's with the use of something called an adjustment layer. So we're going to import an adjustment layer into our library over here. We're going to right click, come for a new item and choose adjustment layer. And if we've set up our sequence correctly, it should ask us, do we want the adjustment layer to fit the size of our video? So that's full HD, 25 frames a second. We're going to OK that, and into our library then we've got an adjustment layer. If we can drag an adjustment layer onto the top video channel, and we can adjust it to whichever size we want, and anything that we do to this adjustment layer is going to affect anything beneath the adjustment layer. So for example, if we were to click on the adjustment layer and manipulate like that, we've created a much darker color grade underneath the adjustment layer, and as it pops out from under the adjustment layer, you can see that that change has gone. If we go back this way, again, it's not there. So we could spend quite a bit of time manipulating our color grade on here, and that will then apply to anything beneath it. And if we want, we can also hold Alt and drag that adjustment layer out, and we've got a secondary one that we could use further down the timeline if we wanted.